Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. I just wanted to upload this video really quick. I bought these bundles a while back. I'm not even sure of the company I got them from. I have a bad habit of buying stuff and leaving it in the bag for weeks to months. And when I go to use them, I don't even remember. But I'm going to work on that, y'all. This is 2022. I will be working on that. But yeah, so I just wanted to come to you guys really quick. I have 3 bundles of the Body Wave 20-inch hair. And I have the closure. I think the closure is a 20-inch as well. I'm not 100% certain, but I think it is. And this tutorial video is just basically it's just showing you guys how I wash my bundles. Guys, it's a must to always wash your bundles before you get them put in. Just pay attention to the water. You're gonna see when I'm washing the hair, the water is literally brown. So yeah, I just use the regular TREsemme. I use a shampoo and I use a conditioner. With my conditioners, I normally let it set for probably about an hour, 2 hours. And then I rinse it out and then let the hair air dry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. Like my video, like your girl's video. I'm trying to do better for 2022. And please subscribe so that way you'll be able to keep up with me. All right, enjoy.